In this tutorial, we will be covering how to use the Boxplot node. This node creates a graph that shows the spread of values in a column. This can be used to explore and better understand the distribution of values in your dataset. Here in the configuration pane, the first thing to do is title our graph. In this case, we want to explore the silicon percentage in the glass dataset. The next thing to do is label our axes. In this case, we want the class of the glass on our x-axis, and the y-axis will represent the distribution of silicon. Here we can also change the max values to display. In this case, we only have a few classes of glass, so this does not matter. Next, we select the column which we want to group by. In this case, the class. And next, we choose the value column. This is the column for which the distribution will be shown in our graph. Now we are ready to execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see our graph. The title is here in the top left, and this shows the distribution of the silicon percentage in our glass. This bottom line here represents the minimum value, and the top line here represents the maximum value. The top of the box represents the third quartile, and the bottom line shows the first quartile. Meanwhile, the middle line here in the middle of the box tells us the median of our data. Thank you for listening.